In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blocks on Squarespace. This is a very simple task, but if you're new to editing your Squarespace site, it can help to know exactly where to click and what to look for. Deleting a block is something you might do when you want to remove old text, get rid of an image, clean up a layout, or just make your page look more organized. To get started, open your Squarespace website and go to the page you want to work on. Once you're there, click Edit so you can make changes to the page content. This will put the page into editing mode and allow you to interact with the blocks that are already on the Squarespace. Next, go to the specific block you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if there are several blocks close together. On Squarespace, blocks can include things like text, images, buttons, galleries, spaces, and other content elements, so it's a good idea to double-check before removing anything. Once you've found the right block, click on it to select it. After the block is selected, you have two ways to delete it. The first option is to simply press the delete key on your keyboard. This is often the quickest method if you're working on a desktop or laptop. The second option is to use the context menu that appears near the block. In that menu, click the trash icon to remove the block. As soon as you do that, the block will be deleted from the page. If you're editing multiple areas, it can be helpful to pause for a second and confirm that the right content has been removed. That way you can continue editing with confidence. And there you go. That's all it takes to delete a block on Squarespace. It's a quick and straightforward action once you know where to click. If you're updating your site regularly, learning little editing tasks like this can save you time and make managing your pages much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you follow the process clearly and confidently.